A client weighing 41 kilograms is prescribed levothyroxine sodium 1.6 micrograms per kilogram per day orally. What dosage will be administered by the nurse? In this problem, to answer the question, we will need our solution in micrograms per day. We'll set that as the goal. To begin any pharmacology problem, we start with the doctor's order. And the doctor's order given here is in micrograms per kilogram. To determine the correct dosage, we need to start with the patient's weight and then use the doctor's orders to determine the total amount of medication to be administered. So shown here is the patient's weight, 41 kilograms, expressed as a fraction with a denominator of 1. The doctor's order for this medication is 1.6 micrograms per kilogram per day, so we will place the day in the denominator. We now have a common factor of kilogram in the numerator and the denominator, allowing us to cancel those out since they have a value of 1. Our units for this problem are in micrograms per day. That was the goal. So the last step will be to perform the multiplication of these fractions, multiplying numerator values together for the new numerator, likewise multiply denominator values for the new denominator, and dividing by 1 doesn't change the value, leaving us with a final answer of 65.6 micrograms per day. In this next problem, the order is for levothyroxine sodium 1.7 micrograms per kilogram per day taken orally. The client weighs 53 kilograms. How many micrograms will the patient receive? Our goal is micrograms per day. And like the last problem, we will begin with the doctor's order. The doctor's order is based on the weight of the patient, and like the last problem, to determine the amount of medication, we will begin with the weight of the patient times the doctor's order. So here we have the weight of the patient expressed as a fraction with a denominator of 1. The order is 1.7 micrograms per kilogram per day, so that per day is putting day in the denominator of this fraction. We have the common factor of kilogram in the numerator and the denominator, which cancel out because of the value equal to 1. We have micrograms per day, which is what the question is asking for the medication. That leaves multiplication of these fractions and simplification, giving us the final solution of 90.1 micrograms per day.